how you can delete the conversation on ChatGPT on Android. So please make sure to follow these steps till the end. The very first step is to open any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. I have already logged into my account, so you'll be landing on this page. As we're looking forward on how to delete the conversation on ChatGPT, first of all, let's write something here. Write a poem. Click on this arrow. Well, the poem has been generated and the conversation is made successfully. So how you can actually delete this conversation is click on 3 horizontal line at the top left corner. You will get to see the option of the conversation that you have just made. So in order to delete this conversation, what you need to do is click on this icon. And then click on this tick mark. Well, there you go, the conversation has been deleted successfully. Now you can start to create another conversation right away. Well, this was for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to delete the conversation on ChatGPT.